Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are showing you the only portable power station you're ever going to need. So let's get started. This is a 300 watt 80,000 mAh power station. As you can see, everything is nicely packaged. So you just slide the top off there. Inside, a little instruction booklet, manual, warranty card. As you can see, the unit is protected in shipping. So this is what it looks like. So from the front, you have a basic design. On the side here, you have a port. So this is a plug up to 300 watts. It's a pure sine wave, 110 volts. DC input, 17 volts, 5 amps. On the back, just simple, flat, basic. So if you want to lay it down, you can. On the other side here, we have a 12 volt, 8 amp plug. You also have a 12 volt, 3 amp DC, and another, so you got two of them. You have a 5 volt, 2.4 amp USB. You have a 60 watt PD. You have a light. So it might need to be charged. Okay, so out of the box, ours needs charged. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. They provide you with a really long, really nice Type-C to Type-C. So you would plug this in here. And then you can plug this into any Type-C device for charging of that. They also provide you with a strap that goes from one end to the other. And you also got this nice carrying handle right there. This is the power supply. Just plugs into the wall to charge this. So you just simply plug this in right like that. Take this. Make sure you line this up. It should slide in fairly easy. And now we go ahead and plug this into the wall. All right. Now we see. So as you press the button here, there's a little film that you can take off right there. So if you press the button, the power button, it's going to be hard for you guys to see that due to the glare, but it's showing us the watts that are coming in and then the watts that are going out, and it shows the battery level. Of course, no watts are going out right now, and having it plugged in, it's pushing in 60 watts. So it's charging 60 watts at a time. So now, as you can see, the light, different modes. And with the light on, it's taking 1 watt. Overall, this is really nice. Now keep in mind, you can only use a maximum of 300 watts at the same time. So keep that in mind. Now most devices and stuff, you're not going to have to worry about that because 300 watts is a lot of watts. If we take our Type-C, plug it in our cell phone, let's go ahead and show you guys how much watts that pulls in, or that takes. So now you just press each individual setting has a a button to push. All right, so now we are charging our phone. So we press the button, it lights up red. So that is taking 15 watts so far. So 16, 15, it's kind of fluctuating a little bit, around 15. So for our cell phone to charge, it takes 15 watts. So that means we're using 15 watts out of 300. So there's a lot of watts you can use and a lot of devices you can connect with this. Overall, very nice. I like it. It's small, compact, sleek design. It's going to be great for camping and road trips. Overall, I think you guys are going to love it too.